All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So only, just one, only. We were only here. We were only here last night. Nowhere else. Nowhere else. Yeah. He was the only one there. Yeah, he was the only one in the snow. No one else. I am only here in my office. Nowhere else. Yeah, how cool is that? She started to think she would be the only one. Yeah, how could you think you would be the only one here? How could you think you'd be the only one here? We are the only people here. Yeah. No one else is here. Only them. No one else is here. Only them. Yeah. How cool is that? I will be the only one walking. Yeah. He will only be there with them. Only be there with them. Only. No one else. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, only. Now, just one. I am only learning Spanish. Not any other languages. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use only in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.